In finance, there are several options available to investors. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, derivatives. An asset class is a group of assets with similar characteristics in terms of risk and return. In this short video, I discuss the different asset classes and their features. There are two broad asset classes: real assets and financial assets. Real assets are physical assets which derive their value from their physical substance and use, whereas financial assets are claims on cash flows generated by real assets. Real assets directly determine the productive capacity of an economy, while financial assets play an indirect role. There are two types of real assets: fixed assets like real estate, land, machinery, and movable assets like gold, oil, metals. Common examples of financial assets are stocks, bonds, FDs, and derivatives. When it comes to financial assets, there are three broad classes. First is called fixed income. Assets in this class usually promise a stream of income which is fixed or determined by a specified formula. The most common example of a fixed income asset is the fixed deposit which you have kept in your bank. Debt makes up a large part of fixed income assets, either in the form of short-term debt in the money markets or long-term debt in capital markets. Investing and trading in currencies is also considered a part of the fixed income market. The second asset class is equity, which represents ownership in a company. There are no promised payments in equity, and dividends are paid only if the company makes a profit. Equity holders have what is called a residual claim, which means that they will get whatever is left after the company pays all its other obligations. It is this feature of equity which makes it a risky asset class. And finally, there are derivatives. They provide payoffs which depend on the prices of other assets. Most commonly used derivatives include futures, forwards, options, and swaps.